Hi, name is Bill, and All Star Builders just completed a project that we started back in June. We did the complete remodel of the kitchen, new cabinetry, new island, tore out the old cabinets. We love the countertops, they're absolutely perfect. The crews that they had working did an exceptional job. We tore out the popcorn ceiling, repainted, sanded and repainted all the walls, all the ceilings, installed new fans, new lighting, new lighting in the tops of the walls, those drop lights. Yeah, everything was done to our satisfaction. It was above and beyond, I think. Their specialty crews are doing an exceptional job. They did replace the flooring. We had carpeting down throughout and vinyl. It's now a really nice wood tone flooring throughout the house. The master bathroom was completely remodeled, torn apart. We moved the shower and made a new built-in shower with glass doors, new cabinetry. Everything came out really, really well, and we're happy with it. I don't know what more I can say. We finally finished the job and we're happy. Thanks.
This is the kitchen.